This conference will now be recorded.
So always, whenever you are working for the project, any client, you need to think like you are working in a company and don't think about for the customer. Here, debit means whatever the amount I'm going to receive from I can receive, I can use immediately. This is my amount in the form of anything, maybe inventory, maybe fixed assets, maybe a customer, maybe bank account, anything. I can utilize that amount. Debit. Credit means you have borrowed and you need to repay. Always. Credit is you need to repay to vendors, to different people, bank, EMI, whatever it may be, always. So customer, whenever you are doing a sales advice means from the customer, I am going to receive money. Understood? This is you are going to receive money. This one is for vendor, you are going to pay money. That is the reason it is debit and credit. Clear?
For vendor, you are going to receive money.
For vendor, you are going
to pay money.
For the customer,
you are going to receive.
Yes. So it is your money. It is your money. This is your money. This is you are owing, like you need to, your liability to, you need to pay money
but no, yeah, but in the first scenario, you are able to, for customer, you are able to receive. But let us say $100 customer is paying, then you debit the customer account and you credit company account.
So don't use that company. Company means it is generalized word. What it means company.
So what is the customer account opposite there?
So while during invoice it is debit. During invoice it is debit. Whenever you are paying, like customer is paying, you need to nullify the balance. Am I right? That is zero. If customer is paying, then you are decreasing the balance and your bank balance is increasing.
Yeah, your bank account is in. So customer is paying, but when the customer is paying, you said you are debiting the customer account.
No. Invoice.
You said you are debiting the customer.
At the time of invoice, customer will be debited because that amount you are going to receive. Am I right?
Yeah. Okay.
Once he paid, you need to make it zero. How you can make it zero? By opposite entry.
Yeah. So when the customer is paying, you create a payment journal. You select the customer. And you select the invoice, and then your offset account is bank account.
Yes. So always you need to think like whenever you are doing a customer payment or vendor payment, whether your bank balance is increasing or decreasing. If you remember that one, it will be easy. Payment, customer payment or vendor payment, what happens to your bank? That you need to remember. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, don't think about the customer.
Bank account decreases, debit. Vendor payment, bank account decreases, credit.
Okay. Yes. Don't think about customer and vendor during payment. During payment, what happens to your bank? That's it. So that opposite entry will be automatically easy. It will be easy. Clear?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead with the tax, please.
Yeah. So if you want to understand about the sales tax calculations, the first one is you need to create sales tax authority. Sales tax authority you need to create in the system. What it means, sales tax authority? To whom you need to pay money? to whom you need to pay money, that authorization name. If it is in India, it may be like Telangana Tax Authority, something. Telangana Sales Tax Authority, Andhra Pradesh Sales Tax Authority, or Karnataka Sales Tax Authorities. Some department name will be there to whom you need to pay this sales tax amounts. That authority you need to create in the system. That is first one, sales tax authority. Next one is sales tax settlement. Sales tax settlement period. How frequently you need to pay?
Yeah, tax authority is like state and central, right? So it is a very common state,
Yes.
central, municipal, something like that. So
Yes.
at the max 3 or 4.
Yes, exactly. So in India,
Okay.
it is state and central. In USA, it is state, like central. I mean to say central, and then like city, county also there. In USA, it is. I don't think like country-wise tax is there. I don't think so. It is only city tax, county tax, state tax, and municipal tax. There are 4 in USA.
No,
In
federal tax
USA,
is there, right? Federal tax authority is there.
maybe
Federal tax
yeah.
is whatever is
Yeah.
there or not, federal tax is there.
So I think federal tax is related to income tax, not sales tax. I'm not sure.
Oh,
I have
yeah,
not
yeah,
worked with.
yeah. Okay,
That
so
is
you're, yeah, so in the finance and operations or in the ERP, sales tax is the main thing, not the income tax, not the company tax, whatever.
yes,
So the
yes,
sales tax
exactly,
is because you're
exactly,
selling.
yes, exactly.
So as an
Actually,
individual, so if I'm running a company, I don't come across the sales tax normally. Yeah, as one man individual, one
individual
man,
is
one man.
income tax. You're talking about income tax. Income tax, it is differently. Yes, it is. Taxes are 2 types. One is direct tax, and another one is indirect tax. Indirect tax, it is sales tax. In
Yeah,
indirect
but
tax,
see, I have a company and I'm selling the some app development. So
hmm,
I'm doing the app. So I am
hmm,
or else consulting. So I'm selling my consulting services to the client. So I am billing to the client, and the client will give me some $60 per tax plus tax, something like that,
hmm,
or 100 plus tax, something like that,
hmm.
right? So that tax is sales tax. Yes or no?
Sales tax only, yes. Sales tax.
Okay, that is called like I think that is GST thing actually.
Yes.
HST.
So
Yeah, that is the
in
GST.
India,
Okay.
yeah, actually in normal countries it is only sales tax. So in India it is called GST. Actually, in India earlier, just I'm telling you, in India there is
Mhm.
VAT, service tax, and excise.
So now all those combined.
It is combined into only one tax. It is GST
Hmm.
in India. I'm telling you. Okay.
Yeah, but
So
in USA you have state tax and federal tax.
yeah,
So that
so
client is going to give you. Okay.
yeah, in USA it is actually like yeah, sales tax. That sales tax is state tax is there, city tax is there, county tax is there, municipal tax is there.
Yeah, but when I'm selling the consulting services, they give me
That is
sales
also
tax plus
consulting.
sales.
So in this example, in India, if it is India world function, it is not an item. You are providing service, then it is service tax.
Hmm.
So now these all are mixed, and it is goods and service tax.
So and that is central level for everything, like for state, municipality, whatever. For everything, it is the same.
Yeah,
Okay.
goods and service tax. And here in this, in India, if it is manufacturing, then it is a excise. This is for sales, this is for service, this is for item sales, this is for service sales, this is for manufacturing content. So these
So
all
if you
are
combine,
combined.
Yeah, if you combine these three, then it is going to be increased. So it's a loss for the people, right? So if you if you are not using, if you are using only services, then the remaining two tax you don't need to pay. But in GST, you are increasing by combining these three.
No, it is decreasing to the fact. It is, if you are a genuine person, it is decreasing the tax. Suppose you are doing a manufacturing of table. So for table, you need to do the painting.
Okay.
So for painting is a service tax. You are paying service tax.
Okay.
Sales, then sales tax, VAT. While doing manufacturing, excise tax.
Okay.
If you are manufacturing, it is excise tax. If you are providing service, it is sales tax, service tax. And while doing sales, you are paying sales tax. These three
Some
taxes,
scenarios it may increase, some scenarios it may decrease. Okay.
it will be decreased only, because if you are combining these all three, you are paying only one tax to the government authorities. Here
Right,
it is,
but like I heard that GST is more like GST. I heard GST is like people are paying a lot of tax.
Why the reason behind, in the very first it will be increased. The reason behind, everything you need to show as a white. Understood?
It's like 20 to 23% or 25% tax now. It is GST.
Give me 1 minute. I'm stopping this recording.
This conference will now be recorded.
So on your utility bill, on your purchases on the grocery stores, movie the ticket purchase, any purchase include the GST.
So anything, it may be a sales service, like it may be a sales, it may be service, it may be excise, anything. You like a government authority name should be entered in the system. This is sales tax authority. And second one is sales tax settlement period, means how frequently you are going to pay to government authority. Monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, something. So usually if your business is a big, definitely it will be a monthly.
Okay.
Monthly. Okay. Next, once it is created, next one is sales tax ledger posting group. Okay, let me show in the system. Here there is a separate module. In 2012 it is combined. In D365 it was separate module, whereas in 2012 it is a part of general ledger. Okay, so here sales tax code
2012 it is part of general ledger, and 2024 it is separated as a separate module.
Yes, it was separated as a separate module.
Okay, so everybody use Alavera tax. Why? Avalara tax as an ISV.
Sorry, what is that?
Yeah, I think that is in the USA, probably in the North America. Avalara tax. Avalera tax.
Okay. I don't know. I'm not sure what it is. So maybe.
Yeah. It's probably this North American thing. Okay.
Maybe. I'm not sure. Okay. So the first one is sales tax authority.
Okay.
You need to create sales tax authorities. So here you need to create the name of the authority: California Tax Authority, Colorado Tax Authority, Washington DC Tax Authority, Florida Tax Authority. Like this you are creating. As I told you, in USA it will be city tax, state tax, county tax. There are 3 taxes. Okay, fine. So you need to create sales tax authority first, authority name. Next, once it is created, you need to create sales tax settlement periods. Sales tax settlement periods. Second step, once created sales tax settlement periods, next step is here ledger group. 1 minute. Huh? Ledger posting group. This one we need to map. So where it is available. Ledger posting groups. This one you need to create. Okay. Ledger posting groups. Third step is ledger posting group. So in the ledger posting groups, you are mapping the ledger accounts. The ledger accounts you are mapping. Okay. Next, once it is done, you need to create sales tax codes. Next one is sales tax codes. Next one is sales tax group. Sales tax codes. Then next you need to create sales tax groups.
So what is the relation between sales tax code, group, and authority?
Yes. Here, authority you are telling like what is the government organization name. Okay. And period is you are telling like monthly or quarterly or whatever it is there. And then sales tax groups, posting groups is ledger accounts you are mapping. In the sales tax code, let me show you. While creating sales tax code, you are mapping sales tax settlement period and ledger posting group. Understood?
Settlement period to ledger posting group.
These two you are mapping in the code. So while creating sales tax settlement period, you are selecting authority. Driver one. Okay. While creating sales tax codes, you are selecting sales tax settlement period and ledger posting groups.
Ledger posting group is by month, monthly posting. Is it ledger posting group is a one account, right? Is one tax account.
Yeah, for sales tax codes, which account should be posted, right? Ledger account should be mapped. That is here.
Yes, tax account is only one account, no?
It is not one account. It is two accounts. While doing sales, it is one account. While doing purchases, it is another account. Am I right?
Yeah.
So there are two accounts.
Posting group actually? What exactly is the posting group? Posting profile and posting group.
Yeah, posting profile is like like vendor posting profile and customer posting profile. Am I right?
Yeah. So that means there's an offset account. Posting profile is an offset account, right?
Posting profile is not offset account. Posting profile is vendor posting profile and customer posting profile. For vendor, you are mapping one ledger account. Am I right?
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to say.
In the same manner, for sales tax, for the sales tax codes also, you need to map one ledger account. Am I right?
Yeah. Okay. So you map one ledger account, fine. But like, so
that
you
ledger
map
account
one
you can
ledger
map
account.
here. That ledger account you can map here only, in this only.
Yeah. Okay. So my question is like, periods means 12, right? 12 periods. So for the 12 periods, are you mapping 12 accounts, different accounts?
No, one only. Here in this one, you are mentioning like whether you are mapping monthly or quarterly or whatever it may be. This is a setup.
Yeah, period. Period is like monthly. Let us assume monthly, right? So it is 12 periods.
Yeah,
so
that should be mapped to sales tax code. Am I right?
Okay.
That should be mapped to sales tax code.
So you're repeating 12 times the same thing.
Same only. It is same only.
Yeah, that's what I'm repeating 12
Yes,
times. Okay.
same only, same only.
So the
Okay.
tax code is the combination of period and posting group.
Yes.
Okay.
You are mapping that one. Yes.
Tax code is a mapping of period. Where is the period? Could you show me the period? Settlement period.
This one.
Okay. Yeah. So now settlement period. If you click on the settlement period, then it is like it shows the 12 thing again. Yeah, it shows the 12 things. So right. So the settlement period.
Here it was mapped as a quarterly.
Okay. Okay.
How frequently, that is based on the government authorities you are going to pay. Am I right? That one.
Yeah.
And here you are
Settlement
mapping.
period.
You are mapping the
Yeah.
ledger account.
Yeah. So settlement period itself is an entity kind of thing. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Posted group. Okay. So the tax code. But then why is this need for to creating so many tax codes?
Because in for suppose if it is in India, car is a different tax. Car has different tax, and mobile has different tax. Am I right? In India. In
Okay, tax
USA,
code.
if you are going to purchase a car, you need to pay three taxes. One is city tax, one is county tax, one is state tax. So I don't know whether you have tried to purchase or whether you have verified with your friend or someone. There will be three taxes. That is the reason if it is a very crowded area like New Jersey or New York, there will be a lot of heavy tax. Whoever is living in the in New Jersey or New York area, they will move to some other city and they will purchase the car and they will drive and they will reach to New Jersey and New.
So okay, so if I'm a car manufacturer, then if I have like 10 product lines and like manufacturing 50, 60 cars, then for each car there is a tax code.
It's not like each car. So definitely for each car you need to pay tax, am I right?
Okay, yes.
For each car will not have different tax code. It is only one tax. Suppose car has one tax. You are going to for in USA it is different and in India it is different. Let me show.
So that means no. My question is if I'm a car manufacturer, then I need only one tax code.
Then you can create only one tax code, no issues. But as per my understanding, in USA, you need to pay three taxes: city tax, county tax, and state tax.
Okay, so for each car, I create three tax codes then.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah, three tax codes actually. But if I'm selling cars and bicycles, then I create 6 tax codes. Am I right?
But if the customer is if you are purchasing from the like your company is in New Jersey. If it is any spelling mistake, leave it. But your customer is in or your vendors, vendors and customers, whether they are purchasing from your state like New Jersey only or some other city also. If you are selling material to your in like New Jersey city only, then it is fine. If customer is in Washington, suppose,
then I create another state tax, another county tax, another city tax, right? So another 3.
Exactly. Like this, you need to create many taxes in USA.
Okay, so then for each state, I need to create 3 times.
Yes.
Okay. So then whatever the state I'm selling, I'm going to do that way. Okay.
Exactly. Okay. So this is USA taxation. But this product is not only for USA, it is for across the world. Am I right?
Just a second, actually. So if I have 4 different products, let us say 10 states, Then for one product, I created 10 into 330. And for second product, it is a different product. So I created one into 330 as well.
No, say because in USA it is not product based, it is place based.
Okay. Yeah, but you are saying product based. That's why.
In India, I'm coming to that
Oh,
point. In
oh,
India, in India, it is tax is based on item, but not based on the place.
India tax is based on item. Okay, not place. Okay. So if I have a 10 different products, then I will be paying like 10 different tax codes, right?
Yes.
So in that case, like if I have a grocery store, let us say I have a medical store.
Hmm.
So I have like 5,000 items.
Hmm.
Then I have 5,000 codes.
No, it is electronic items this much tax.
Mm-hmm.
Or mobiles, I have this tax. Laptops, this has. There is a classification of the materials. It is not like each item. There is a classification.
Okay.
If it is a cars, this is a tax. If it is a tractor, it is a different tax. So each group wise classification is there in India.
Okay. And
So
then like so if you go to Europe, China, it's different then.
maybe different to different country to country.
Okay.
So in particularly when I understood, like anyhow earlier at Gulf it is no tax. Now recently they are included tax also in Gulf region also. So as per my understanding, in Asia region, I mean to say India, China, Malaysia, Singapore, like Dubai or some countries, my understanding, I may be wrong and I may be right, it is like this. Tax is based on the item. There are two classifications only, either based on the item or based on the location or based on the city and county or whatever it may be. These are the two classifications. Understood?
Yeah.
So suppose here this means this is based on the item, means item tax, item based tax, and that means in the item whatever the code is there, that tax should be calculated. Am I right?
Yes.
Here based on the vendor, agree with me, or customer, based on the vendor customer location, where the vendor is located, where the customer is located. Agree with me?
Yeah.
So this is based on the location. So in the system we will create the structure of tax now came to the picture. Here it is the item taxes. Here it is customer vendor taxes. Understood? Here I will map tax codes related to item. Here it is vendor or customer. The common between these two will be calculated as a tax. This is the logic.
Now, what is that? I didn't get you. Item taxes and customer vendor tax codes. What is that?
So in the item in India, suppose in India,
Item taxes, customer vendor tax code. Sorry. So what is that exactly? Like in the US context, you
in
have
India,
place.
in India and USA, I'm talking.
But
In
anything
USA,
is a place based, right? In USA.
let me complete.
Yeah.
For vendor one,
Mhm.
I will map city tax, state tax, county tax. For vendor two, same condition. Okay. Here for item one, taxes. For item two, taxes. For item three, taxes. Item four, corresponding taxes. Understood?
Mhm.
Any confusion here?
Vendor one, city, county, state, and then vendor two, city, county, state.
Customer,
Okay.
county, city. Customer one, city, county, and state.
That is the tax code then. For vendor tax code, customer tax code. And for each vendor, there is a tax code.
Yes. Clear?
For customer tax code, vendor tax code. So while you're buying from the vendor, there should be a tax code. While you're delivering to the customer, there should be a tax code. Right?
Yeah.
And for each item, irrespective of the place, you should have a tax code. Okay.
For item, I need to map all taxes in USA. Here for customer or vendor, all taxes.
Customer or vendor, all taxes means what actually? What does it mean?
I will map all taxes.
Why do you need to map that? Like, so what is the need of doing that?
To fulfill this behavior is different from here.
Okay.
Here the
So
tax
because
behavior.
system doesn't know it is India or USA, so you are mapping that, right?
Yes. Yes. So this is called item sales tax group. I need to create. Here I need to create item sales tax group. Here I need to create sales tax group. Understood? I will create sales tax group. In this, I will map city code, county tax, and state tax to this sales tax group. And this sales tax group I will attach to the vendor.
Yeah, that's so that tax code and tax group.
No, tax group directly mapped. I cannot map multiple tax codes to vendor. I am making one group. The city, state, and city, county, state, I am making one group, and I am attaching that group to the vendor. That group is sales tax group. Understood?
So first you need to create the codes, and then you need to create a group, and then you assign that group to the vendor.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
For items, I will map all tax codes into one group, and I will map like this in USA.
So that's not is being taken, right? It's even though you do
Because
it
in US, in India it is different. In India, I need to map item tax.
Okay. Oh, okay. So irrespective of the country, it works. Okay.
Yes. Yes. So I mean to say tax calculation will be intersection of sales tax group and item sales tax group. You learned these intersections in 2000, like in 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard. Am I right?
Yeah. So what is the intersection of what?
The common between these two. The common between these two. For customer, you are mapping all taxes. For item, this is 5%. Then this will calculate 5% for that item. Here I am selling mobile, I am selling laptop, I am selling chair, I am selling table, I am selling fan. Am I right? I am selling sugar, I am selling groceries.
Okay.
Then if suppose I am selling for one customer, for customer it is mapped all taxes, and for each item, because you are doing sales tax, because whenever you are selling an item, you like any sales order, it may have 10 items, 20 items, 30 items. Am I right? One car, one table, one chair, one mobile, one laptop I am selling. When I am selecting item 1, it will take that corresponding taxes.
Okay.
Another item, it will be corresponding tax. So here in the customer, it is all taxes are there. So automatically there is an intersection between these two is car tax only. If I'm selling car, if I'm selling mobile tax only will be considered in India. Understood?
Yeah, because okay.
Here it is all taxes. For item I'm mapping all taxes. Whenever I'm doing vendor, at that time for vendor, whatever the taxes are there, that taxes will be considered and it will be processed. Understood?
Yes.
So I will show you practically on Monday how it is posting.
So taxes will be like, I mean, the taxes. So it will go up to Monday and then Tuesday?
Most probably by Monday. If it is extended, Tuesday. We'll see.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm stopping here for today. We'll connect once again on Monday. See you. Bye.
Yeah. So I'll call you if I have any question. Okay. So on your phone number.
Yeah, actually, like, see, today, like weekdays, I'm always busy. In weekends, okay, I'm fine. Weekends, you can call me.
Yeah, I don't ask silly questions. Right? You know, I ask only important questions.
Yeah, no issues. But weekdays, I'm busy, fully busy. Because that's what I'm telling. Okay.
Okay. So that means you